welcome back to my channel. So today I'm excited because I want to do some kitchen decor updates. So over here on the table I have some fun decor pieces that I want to decorate with. I definitely want to replace the knobs, and I think this brass color is really pretty and will just add some more warmth to the space. I want to add some new curtains, this really pretty stone tray. I'm going to use it to put the soap on near the sink, and then I want to upgrade the backsplash. I found this tile on Amazon. This is all Amazon, by the way. And this basket is Target. It's the Studio McGee Target collab. So I think this will definitely add warmth. And then I have some other things like wood trays, some cutting boards, vases, and I have a really cute lamp to add some texture and some light, and a new toaster, which I'm excited about. I found this really pretty cutting board on Amazon. I love the organic shape of it. I like how it's not a perfect square or like a perfect circle, and I love this circular handle. And this will be perfect for cutting things if I want to do like a charcuterie board. I also found this one, also off Amazon. This is Acacia wood, if I'm saying that right. These two could look cute together, and I also like how this has like soft edges as well, just because I feel like it kind of ties with this one, but yet they're not exactly the same. There's so many like linear lines with all of like the cabinets being very sharp edges and rectangular, the countertops being angular. So I feel like this is a good balance to help like soften everything up and make it feel just like warmer and cozy. And adding of like the soft lines, whether it's like a round vase, can help like soften up the whole room. I also have been anxiously waiting for this package to arrive. Definitely check out H&M Home if you haven't. They have such cute decor on their website and they're really affordable. I got this little candle holder for $6.99, so I'm excited to open it up. This ceramic little tea light holder, beige color, and it has a little bit of texture on it. I don't know if you guys can really see it. This is my current kitchen. It has a lot of things going for it. It has a nice window above the sink, and it's a pretty good size for an apartment kitchen. I think the main thing I want to do is just warm up the space more, make it a little lighter, brighter, homey and cozy. I got some curtains, some cute hardware. I want to put some peel and stick backsplash. It's honestly fine if I leave it the way it is, but I feel like it could be better. I'm excited to add some more changes to it. So one of the main things about the kitchen is that I feel like it looks a little dark, and I want to try to do a couple things to brighten it up. Since I'm renting, I can't paint these cabinets. So on Amazon, I got this peel and stick tile. I want to put it here as the backsplash going across the whole wall, and I really think it'll help brighten it up a lot. I have done peel and stick tile before in my New York City apartment because that had like a horrible mirrored backsplash. It was not cute. Did it with like a subway tile peel and stick, and it made it look a lot better. So hoping the same thing will work for this one. So I'm gonna clear everything off the counters to have a fresh slate.
Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody's
The backsplash is all done. I feel like it looks so much brighter in here now, just covering up this dark brown backsplash. And I had one sheet left over, so it was honestly perfect timing. The peel and stick, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy to apply. I used an X-Acto knife and scissors for like to cut around the outlets and stuff, but I feel like it was honestly easier to cut with the scissors. And I like how all the tiles aren't the same exact shade. It kind of gives it a little bit of dimension. And then I'm not gonna put any on this side just because there's no backsplash there. And since I'm renting, I feel like I might ruin the paint if I put the peel and stick on. When we leave, it might like rip off some of the wall or something. So now the next update I want to do is switching out these knobs. Honestly, I don't love these. These are just probably like the cheapest ones they found. Putting the cabinets together. 3 different handles because I'm indecisive and I have to see them in person and like hold them up in order to be able to decide sometimes. Got this pretty bronze one. The same one in silver. Brassy bronze color. I think they call it champagne bronze. This is my favorite one. I really like the shape of it, and I feel like it'll look nice and kind of warm up this wood tone. The silver makes it feel a little cold. gold. It has a little more character as well. Also, I know that the appliances and some of the other hardware is silver. The sink is this brushed silver color. I actually think that they still pair nicely together. And I was really debating. I was like, should I do everything all silver because the appliances are silver? But I found on Pinterest some really pretty examples of mixing hardware finishes in kitchens, and I'll put some on the screen just so you can see what I'm talking about. But I feel like if done in the right way, it can honestly make your kitchen feel more unique and collected, add like more depth and character to it. Look how pretty they all look in this box. Guys, so it's the next day. Last night I finished all the cabinet pulls and it took me a lot longer than I thought. I was like, oh, I'll get done with this in an hour. It ended up taking me like a couple hours for some reason. A lot of the screws were just like really tight in there, but I got it done. Here are all of the cabinet pulls that I took off. I have to save them because when we move out, I'm gonna have to put all these back in. So crazy how much brighter the overall kitchen feels just having this backsplash. Like, I was actually kind of shocked about how big of a difference it's making. Once all the decor is in, it'll like really tie in the cabinet pulls together. The backsplash and cabinets were like the hard part. So now we can tackle the fun stuff, all the decorating. So I have this brass, it's almost like a bronze color to match the cabinet pulls. And I'm gonna put it on this window. And then I got these linen curtains for the back side of the whole apartment. We feel like we can open the windows and no one's directly looking in because we're a little higher up. But with this side, kind of like a walkway right there, so people are going to their apartments. We love that the walkway's outdoors because all the light comes in. Because I know when we lived in New York, it was all like indoor hallways to get to your apartment. But the problem has been, I feel uncomfortable with people walking by feeling like they can look in. We never have the blinds fully open. They're kind of like always like this, where it's like a peak open, but there's so much sunlight that we're missing. So that's why I'm really excited to put this rod up. I'll be able to keep all those heavy blinds open. This will just cover up the window, so it still has the privacy aspect, but still lets all the light in. Now the sun can all shine through, still have privacy. I put them so they're like almost flush with the bottom of the windowsill. All right, now let's put the decor out. Look how good the lighting is in front of the window now. I feel like natural light is always the best. So just want to say the knobs are from Amazon, backsplash and the window curtains and rod are all from Amazon, and a lot of the decor is from Amazon and Target. You can make little updates on a budget and it doesn't all have to be high end to still look nice. Toaster because I wanted it to kind of just blend in with the kitchen and not really be an eyesore, so I found this like beige toaster color. For this little counter space, this is a little stand I had before. This one I found on Amazon. I like that this one's a little smaller and I think the color wood goes better with the cabinet, so I'm swapping this one out for this one. Kitchen all decorated. This was so much fun, you guys. I love decorating, doing DIY projects like this. This kitchen just feels happy now. Like it feels like a happy place that I want to come in and make tea and cookies and everything like that. I'm sure Dom's gonna love it too because he is the one who does most of the cooking. Actually, I like baking. I honestly like cooking and I want to try to prioritize that more, of like learning new recipes and learning how to cook more. I'm honestly a little bit of a scaredy cat with like cutting and like chopping everything, like with the knife. I like cut it so slow, but now that I have these cute new cutting boards, maybe I'll get more practice. One of the things I'm most excited about are the curtains because now we can have all the light come in and it's gonna be so nice. Because sunlight, I feel like just makes you feel happy, having the sun shining in. Also, I just learned this the other day, but did you guys know that this little hole in the back of the lamp is actually so you can push your cord in. And I had no clue because I used to be having all the cords just bundled up. But now I can tuck this in more and try to make it a little less noticeable. I like the textured element this adds to the space, and I think the scalloped edges are really cute. Sometimes at night you just don't want the big overhead light in here, so it'll definitely be nice to at night just be able to have the little lamp. I have some fun videos coming up. I want to add some decor and new bedding to the bedroom, updates to our little balcony, and I also have some other fun DIY projects. So if you want to see more decorating videos, definitely let me know in the comments, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more videos, and I will see you in the next one.